and the permission was granted. But there's a lot of reactions.
Oh yes.
What follow up and go for?
Fiti and Rebani.
Say as he's running away at the time, things are difficult.
Yeah.
Ebinum so full say there's a lot of people on a battle for getting a new appointment at CAF. Okay, and Chamakajo say Ima is going to stay in Cairo.
Oh yes.
Yes. It's not Cairo, honestly.
Say the position now we now CAF on the Nina on sem.
Aye, okay. Obezo who
person me who adwuma.
Answer mami let me.
And now the better kakra.
Oh, wait a second, yeah, dear.
Okay.
At least was it yes share with you nuanum kakra as I got to know. Okay. This in adwuma okwa say is an official administrative work
job, yeah.
Or Kotna Kava Sway Aye. Now he's going to be a Jumanom kind of saying professional football manager.
Okay.
Professional football manager. So we're going to work at the professional football department. Now said the work at time but okay, first three now say work on all aspects of the CAF club licensing system.
Wow.
Stadium licensing and league development, and contributing to the professional football department's program and activities. 1. Help the CAF member associations as licenses to implement the CAF club license system at national level.
Okay.
Ensuring regular communication and exchanges within the club license network. Make up 3 pair. Help to organize and run club license education activities.
Okay.
Okay, if you add the 4th one, or say compile and update the club licensing stadiums, leagues, and clubs database and historical statistics.
Okay.
Revise the national club licensing regulations submitted by the member association. Assist in the follow-up on club licensing compliance audits. Supervise the core club licensing process and the application of club licensing criteria on and on. Manage the implementation of the club license system. Administer the CAF club license. Gather and register coaches license. Copies for the club participation. On and on and on and
let's
on.
Let's say Jumana Kasane is about club licensing.
Yes.
And national, yes.
Club license is about stadiums.
About
coaches. And their licenses. And the CAF Secretariat, headquarters.
Yes,
Cairo. That's where it's
Confederation Cup, Champions League, World Cup qualifiers, so AFCON qualifiers.
Interestingly, I say, I'm for hitting a kakra.
Say, Kotokono Jumano, and
the bottom line is that everybody can have his opinion, but there's a Ghanaian. When you're Juma, or CAF, or and go for and in a way they will favor their countries.
Yeah.
Once we fans as an ya church worker at Abase.
And you Baba and from that angle.
So we will look at that and all and all.
But Nebash and the MC Kotoko Diana
that develop and monitor research on club lines in the clubs. Baby, I saw the letter appointing him to his new office. And we so do I idea. Ghana ni na juma ana me boa ken am na ba so ken si to a obra wa ku school akwa yi da ku so nya beni efe bia so akoyo mighty amom na e ho atoye not as here oni obidum bie okwa birthday nyina ho beto iti na born again okay iti Abaka Watara say okay one Kotoko head coach Prosper Ogum has recommended the sacking. Oh, are you sure he's sacking?
Yes.
Of 14 players. Sacking. Is that confirmed? Is it an speculation?
That was a speculation. The players.
Bamunya buteni asemba muntombo.
Oh, that be boss.
Busana semaye. Ebimo has a contract. That's I ended that.
Ebimo contract
sacking. If a coach, for instance, recommends say, don't renew the contract of this player. Say no on Zaki Obia. Say, but now that should have been communicated to them that.
Oh yes, Enra. Per the information I want, the players have been met by the team manager.
Okay.
After season, or catcher almost say, we who play away. According
okay,
to
so
coach.
I think say a message
Yes.
in say the following players contract and they don't renew it because I will not need them.
Yes. But they
Omo
be so
maka-
much
omo maka
contract
no so.
in and there.
But there are some names that are interesting.
But boss, on say the money here is so kakra ne say ima oye administrative manager no na nke ehwe so no na boss na on say meeting ebe koso secretariat too between the IMC and the players.
Okay.
Some players ya coach e de omudin aba say
Na say we Ten Hag so I be manka.
Ten Hag players ene eno ama abonten.
Sane so you know.
Inti enra eno mkoshia players no ofie ho. Eno mo do mase. To mo wie ye no eno mo some rules and regulations. Ebra mo kofie no. One had to do with omontadium, but that will be off air kakra.
Okay.
Yes, on say kid sponsorship no. Inti omo the advice we my players know how to manage omo nyoma omo wo no. Aha.
Mfango chema amfango bo.
Na that season end there say for.
Say bia foforo ne bia e be start training na mbai.
Se foforo ni nyama.
Enyamba ya so
Ada na mai.
just in case say be enyamba ya.
Na
From
foforo
a catch them.
Aha, foforo de beba. But don't say Ghana ha no untade so manage ni ye. Enti manage ni ye. Say na bia ba bia 1 week 2 weeks kra na foforo ne mba ya. Betimi enya bi na.
Eno mom fangu. Omo ko ne de. Obi atade de ondim go trend say. O Chelsea na nwumre.
Okay. Dem say the fuck go.
Foforo nyama nti.
Do the fuck na be the fuck go. Any a different story. Now so to we no hini. Omo hini brenya. Ehia ofrel.
Ni se memfa nkomo adamfo bi. Ese wo ba e ka wo na san.
Ohini brenya hia wa. No aka cho say ochena 10 am.
When na ho.
Bra eye secretariat.
Wanya ho. Emranti bi om ge bi abesra wo. O ba na nsu ato. No atade ba ko no de bai.
So say
Na de atia no pa na onenam area ho na. Wa bo shows ni top ya. Ozo ntimi fama.
But to tade be prebe.
Na ge no be so je ni boy bo ko tokwa. E be no area no ma ye o ze ko tokwa.
Announcement.
Yeah. Yeah, no wafa.
So I side with them. I think say
me dey say. Cause if there ye be that one am my enti. Cause there be me very careful.
well common pa.
But I think that we administrative issues are normally it's done before the season ends. For instance, season end we are any decision would have been taken already on a player.
Oh yes.
By the time we play the last match.
Yes.
You renew a contractor.
Yes.
And then you ever can. That's the point I was trying to make.
Oh, okay.
And then you ever catch or say, your both season every year renew a contract.
Okay.
That is where I think saying I would all respect.
Okay.
And yeah, Brazil was say, yen try ni yen bisa say.
Yen can in them.
3, 4, 5, 6 months before the season ends. Player no what's one in a win say. Ayana didn't tell me back on. That's the way I'm saying.
No, so to they
are going, but more common contract ending.
Oh,
I'm contract ending. You see, you engage them along the line. And a player be and the coaching piece of own here. On the coach, no season, a coach take a decision. Just a movie, I know then the other. It is also proper so the players will get to know. Say, we will not engage your services. Season end there. These are the reasons A, B, C, and D.
And no more yen and no.
And I make us say,
before
conference, bina, yeah, frewa, near account fit at your Kotoko, the inquiry said, the editing is some quite a macusium, has the end, oh my chiamu. Listen about who cram dino, and about who crack coaching. To 10 years now, you could be coaching, I know it's a MD Noah. Ukofi.
But
the coach in the front.
As the problem be any because
a problem will be there
because
say make us say Zobet.
Yeah.
Babni Bo. Ana embassy best sound like we know more than anybody. But I need try to best suggest to say. Player also to me find the plan.
Okay.
I be quite a season number end no. Also start born points. Other coaches are interested. Na wo catch na ebia ene on say yaman say Coach Ogum. Obefa players you are in a list of you. One day, Sasso was a player and also so. Oh yeah, where say due to A, B, C, and D, your age and our chances are ultimate. But say be alcohol loan. So we are trying to you engage them not season they upon one.
omo reason on say last week and a news never say Kotoko Beshia players even last week. So I made some inquiries, and what came out is that it's not advisable say player or no contract. You have maybe a 2 matches or a last match. No, I catch and say a boss season we are one count.
What is wrong with
they
that?
feel that psychologically.
Oh, yeah. Now say players no Oma say next season how many plans they know.
No, bounce.
Why are we pretending? So yeah, boy back Dawuni as a wine be our buy no. Season no mobi da. Ya ma mobi. I'm saying that the psychological torture now during that period. I saw my player now say, look, not that you are not good. You are good, but position now bono. Your players bet 3 or 4, they are ahead of you. So as young as you are, you have another opportunity. And to be you need 1, 2, 3, 4 things, but didn't come if it's possible. They also say it's not proper, and will be your contract. That's if you are Nasa be a chairman thing. Ne dream this over Babetana Konya, so never chairman, they are denying. Obeba na check because be no nyare ne no nko ba bi atena. Enti ye bese e boa na ye link mo obi na obemu a waba. O kan we our man psychological torture.
While
since obema atena house.
Season end day. Omo de ne say season end day. Enti because we to enra. E o fi ho no na enye easy.
So eventually
yes. Go for fear pa. Because obu na down fugum. Obu a no ankasa onya ne tire didim. Maybe an down fugum any. So imagine if
they were not expecting it.
Imagine
they were not expecting.
Imagine if it happened during the season.
Because obi say upon for instance, we pra moto doctors na pass of fit. O say o hunto. O ma training na that.
But for ya mamu yen kan one side. Mamu yen kan one side is how.
O no ba train no.
Ya mamu yen kan o si de mamu ni say issues like ya mamu yen tie one side o. How can you say so o say hunto?
But doctors no almost want to say hunto. But no say hunto.
And that's how doctors na no ka say obi ntimi mo bo obi mu. Amu nya sa na ye. Asem do tia no tia. Say ye nya na ke doctors say blame ntimi mo bo obi mu.
Sasem no ye kan.
Sasem kwanya sanete.
Enu nti na make us o tia no tia.
That's no nya sanete.
Say obi a
o ya kan da na fi na o be kan.
Obi obobo. Say obi obobo. Doctors are passing a fit. Or say me hunto me. That's about for the sorry am okay. Or say me hunto me. Ebe my into one. I'm just
and now fear no na serious. Now her players ni mood na it wasn't the best. Because obi wa ni roommate ya boni din. It won't mean nya sa lovely and bonyum ni ade. Oh,
and I'm go some go bonyum.
No, I'm just saying say ye season ye fear.
On say come kan ntem aka.
No, so omo ni say nka if ye can ebi akotoko be bobo, ebi akotoko bo RTU, kotoko boli.
Na ni ba no mobi.
But totally, yeah, there are some players or Mubobio.
Omo mu ko ni bi bobi.
Yeah. And you nyina na mbo. Say Nicholas Osebunsu. Got left back no for the past.
Be
8 matches. Ono na agba.
Dey no ko.
On Carlson.
Okay.
Nicholas. No, mensa account.
I to was. O dey some can say producers.
Mensa account or
one out the adwuma.
Now we
are always be outside for this. I mean him there.
Ebi bro sir. Ebi omo no ka.
Now okaka let's kuta managing director lokuta coach asome. Okacha unu say you are giving team no bad day.
Team bad day.
It cannot be so.
No, but that is the decision of the team.
No, it cannot be so.
Coach no, why not?
That's our own coach check it down to me.
Coach no, why not list we? Was submitted the amount MD.
So what check it there?
Coach no, why not list we? Omo on by about the democracy cup no. Oh no, say he's training them.
And you want more democracy cup no be.
Ma wo yam from the problem you're not coming. Then MD calls you and say to you, na say issues or you trash out. Ebo ma ka wona that. We won't just say. What also say won't just say. Won't just say.
So
we also obi say Nicholas new akana 1 year contract.
Okay.
Nti obekọ secretary asked to send the ene omo command contract extension o omo ko terminate omo ko any loan o okoba and a news be kimba
atuma kede so asesan kwam
and some me can the course
o preamble no ni conclusion
in there be pe
I just don't what you so the film be ba
omo hell live here I
just don't want to
there be oh yeah careful
but the situation is your friend and a friend in your boy company
come on with trade adjo what it is Nicolas say now news all call a command extension see no be I unim the equal to the
there be so to adjo the CEO say a dinner your friend say Sheriff Mohammed defender account ono so aka 1 year nti ono so onim
ono so ka omo
so ya from no ho enti and unconfirmed say Blake ahun but and they are unconfirmed.
Hey, any unconfirmed.
Until I'm
what is the best about?
Until I say unconfirmed. And I say Bena Somwaka hon.
Somwa.
Yes.
And also unconfirmed.
Yes, Somwaka hon. And you're confirmed.
Say you don't coin. Say
your friend no. Your friend no.
Me bo, how many have friend no?
We to your free players no.
Why am friend not just saying.
Why am fraud you say unya asem bia ho.
Let's season we bo.
Okay, so
either alone or
obu also ko renew no contract.
It me na me dey ahye ho. Say enoma miensa either loan termination and e be obu aka no 1 year because me Nicholas dey say me tey no. Basically Tekeku contract you
are going.
Tekeku then contract na 2+1. But one as at now Kotoko for activities so it looks like he's out. Nana Benyin so DM so 2 we hunu so. There be on my list on man tese ni din wom
production list
man tese on din wom and ya friend Nicholas and Nicholas basically on the ball Kotoko left back no
on the Okoji renewal
into on me fan say
Okoji renewal
me fan say Okoji renewal
me be renew contract is go for meeting ase okay
send them so to see from here it is sanity
that's fine yeah Ouattara also be fighting for the league
yeah he need to I mean that is the standard of Atofuk you just say bye be remu ye pa
na siasa ze
Rocky so ka ho
the Harika ni
yeah Rocky Dwamna so a friend
Dawuni na ya Dawuni
Rocky Dwamna so
Rocky Dwamna midfielder
no
Amas
yeah I understand say he will be going
on a Richmond
either loan or maybe
omo yellis ni ye o the coach ni pel basa no
25 players for the season
Ghana
25 players
Ghana nye sir
say for mandatory 30 players
25
30 plus 30 plus 10
mandatory 30 so I cannot say I'm registering 20
oh wait to me but anka 30 na ho okay if you
the mandatory
Kotoko is likely to use 50 players 25 for the youth team which is confirmed and at 25 for the senior team
so but some draft be just saying
I don't
25
that's a mandatory 30
okay
yeah we only Harry case na me trust sorry it was
yes the minimum say has to folk so they know what they want to do with their players omon become
okay
for example we say Di Maria say
obeko
because has man offer Di Maria eje you know on return ye so House of Folk enye prepare on be up that offer on Di Maria information me won so many prepare on be up no and Di Maria free to go on him fit
the contract 90
say 3 years and was sign contract 90 and to bet me akọ you see some of the players Mr.
at contract
where House of Folk
ata dey say Harry Soko
so ata so end and ata end August
yes so on kan ho to the best of my knowledge so we are aware say you will not be part of
Omnes MD be frau
David
Capi MD no on say obu am to contract termination contract esi a friend no cancel na terminate ndia no MD na be frau
o send them ko discuss so you are not coming back we are aware
but you are going to meet the
but
MD.
say do mu ko so mu nya aware o ti fi a no nya ko kren oba kofa this is Mr. Anku Adiama House of Folk MD so player
just a clarify some no can he omo ya we has player be in the position there
has players Mr. Top
officially
by getting to the latter say use the omo ka say they know omo de omo but no person mu wie season no so before omo free camp let me put it this way they be my safe no before House of Folk team in free camp
as I'm talking to you, meaning some African no move free. Some free. Players are aware of. What does it? Because let make us say.
Also usually Okoba yana.
Yeah. Also take this one. Me say. Answer na has to play be free camp. Ah be kono. Who information the amount? Aye.
But so mo be democracy cap.
Me I was about somewhere next month. So those are part of the team who play the democracy cup. Someone can one. I just said MD was say listen me coach if what you can home. MD for what you Kobe. And so the will be an hour.
Baba sana wo kano.
Sano kano.
Clarify na
me say o come to me sano ha.
Me say be break players no. Omo kofie. Now say coach Frewa you are coming to put mind for the democracy cup.
Okay.
MD Frewa I just say when he has
I'm wondering I
don't know all content maybe what is content. I don't anyhow know, but so it is because
office
yeah, you go and sort those things out.
He's calling his team.
The coach is calling his team to
but coach the team they go and sort out
with the MD.
So I mean aware of the situation. Oh, so too. Me thought I mean say bro.
Massa.
O coach Franes o ka team no.
MD Flower na
MD Flower na so on kan on.
Your more democracy cap will save them. Your more so there.
Cap no, anya cap no be save them. Anya cap to save wa cap no. It's not the cap is not going to save them. The coach have decided the team that.
Oh yeah.
Oh players are for. You know and they want anya do league. Now go have game.
No baby Asalifu Di Maria beko.
Salifu will not be playing locally for what I know.
Exactly.
Salifu NBA or more local team for what I know. Most likely see Biana Salifu more local. Of course, offers.
Richmond Lamptey. He may stay for a further year. Obi can manage.
I say yeah, he's extending for one more season.
Why extending? I know he is.
Okay.
Because me has that and run na onya extend.
Ube rest I will can say me no pay you. And run a draw no ni ani je ne ba and then no mo ko. O just at no
No, oh Mr. Two. I me engage play ya down
for na. So then kakra bi then in and out. Into.
Tama must clear out his Kotoko players. Kalu to go on loan, Lamptey to renew for a season. And by 14 players there. And they, like I said, the meeting is ongoing at the secretariat. Sitting in. Tama Ima Yebeka is a because meeting. Outgoing
Ima Krata Ukraine no. Also a schedule of Cairo on the 1st of July.
Next month, yeah.
So meanwhile, it can be part of. So at least 2 weeks here, then enemy. Obe to me the abua for smooth transition and handing over.
Okay.
Any idea? 1st July na Juma
Shasi. Oh, okay.
CAF headquarters.
This is a just here called Egypt.
Cairo, yeah.
Cairo, near Korean
office. Only few actually, baby.
Oh man, if you in office,
baby.
Hey, the Juma yo.
Alexandra, baby.
Meeting, no?
Okay.
And they will be telling the players, they will say, Yadamasi, Yamishra, bye, Yamishra, bye. Also, so I say,
handle no year.
So,
some of the players will come. Mountain maybe I say. So, the meetings like this, all expected a new Biana Beba say, maybe no Guam, maybe one appointee. And you also able to handle.
But
it's a win-win situation.
Out of the 14, a lot of them, contract no. Into almost say any day. I'm say as that team ni bedam say bi as ka bi wo mu a
na tsa no ni asem
na o ma hwe na o no ma keke kan wasem na o ma timi aye na o ma ye na na Tama Democracy Cup will determine players who will play for House of Folk next season. 1 week break after 1 week break, if the MD
democracy cabinet
I'm say 5th of next month.
5th.
I'm patron. Enti em say ne ya no channel. I'm communicate am say 1 week break.
A problematic kakra. The caps have been played.
Can take it twice.
Because celebrate they can have that break. They say I'm continue for 3 weeks. Then they come and prepare and play and go back. As I get twice, so every cup final near that way. Kaho baby, no. Because the 2 teams are not involved in that.
Commit my bomb some
because the players in continent fee, they need that mandatory rest period. The Ghana League ever started that.
On the program number.
Ghana, you know.
On the transfer programs,
okay.
Windows in that. Titama say if the MD calls you, then you have no future with House of Folk. But if the coach calls you and asks you to report to put mine, not just say to us.
I know so free.
Sana is saying Shana Kakwe.
Had your son, you see, Bafo. Don't they think that these are professional players they are dealing with? Continue if you in your caller and a better say, Ubeba na woman. But the season is over. By now. Let them know. And you what
phone ring now who say MD never say who say unkatim who be. Already hit by this Richard Atta already gone. Rich Monayi gone. Salifu gone. Kojobo gone. Eda Kosa Osoko Di Maria.
And then contract also.
And the contract will only has a week. And my information is that Di Maria will not be paid for House of Folk.
Okay.
Maybe she said near House of Folk. And you don't pipe boom pa.
And then as a gone, it is a house and then corner. Only call him pipe my day. Obi a home penals are call him pipe.
Oh, he said, "Yes, Obi penwa." So, but for what I know, Di Maria, the minister of Sobo has.
Okay.
Omunyante make it already know.
After you
Tama. We are kakra di ba no pay. Omo a season we no. So when you call there then when you call from the coach you are staying. When you call from the MD na ya director secretariat na okona okokan.
MD no nya call there. MD na kasa club betime call.
Young boy, we are not baba na class.
MD ni menya bintu oni ya no Institute of Expert Travel and Tours abusuati